As an operator in third-party logistics or fulfillment, you'll already understand the challenges of this competitive, results-driven business. Winning new customers can sometimes seem easy compared with meeting their expectations for ever-increasing service levels. Which is why ProSKU can offer just what you need, starting by capturing your customer orders at source, whether from the web, business applications like ERP, or just a simple file download. But it's what happens after that makes a difference to your business. As a system designed for third-party operators, ProSKU offers functionality to handle a wide range of customers, products, handling and picking methods, and importantly, different ways to calculate your charges. So whether you're picking pallets or items, single or grouped orders, scanning barcodes or capturing serial numbers, ProSKU gives you the means to manage it all and do so efficiently. And whether you use your own vehicles or external carriers, ProSKU provides the labeling, documentation and tracking to guarantee safe dispatch and delivery of your customers' products. While you're busy keeping your customer happy, they'll be able to access the ProSKU system via dedicated stock owner portal to check the stock levels and the progress of their orders, leaving you free to focus on the important matter of preparing their regular bill using ProSKU's automated charge and invoice functions.